Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I grew up in a place.
Welcome, Cris. Sige. We'll be doing the staggered intersection going straight. So, ito yung paano gagawin. Alright? Sige.
Yes.
Okay, indicator off. Nice. Good. So T section ahead. Can you do a U-turn?
As you can see here, Cris is doing a good job. Checking her left and then right and then double checking again.
Nice. Good. Galing. Okay, same. Intersection ahead. Go straight. So, staggered intersection yan.
Again, very important when crossing an intersection, you need to check your left and right, double check. Check if there are road users crossing your path.